Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be predicting where the MCC teams will be finishing, and let's have some fun while doing that. So let's get straight to it. In 10th place we have the underdogs, the Blue Bats. I really wanted them to finish a little bit higher, but looking at the other teams, I'm pretty sure they're going to be knocked out pretty easily, in 10th place. So I had to give that position to them. Now coming to the Green Guardians, I feel Sapnap is one of the best players MCC has ever had, but I feel that this is one of the only times where MCC has actually given him a bad team, and the other players are not as good. So again, I think that they're going to be finishing in ninth. The Silent Creepers are actually an excellent team with Preston, Pizza Hut, and Spifey, all very good Minecraft players. But with the amount of competition that the rest of the teams are going to give them, I'm pretty sure they're going to finish this low in 7th. But if all of them pop off, I'm pretty sure it's going to be very easy for them to, probably take top 2 or top 5 if the other teams pop off. Pleasant Moon's also a pretty decent Minecraft player, but the other teams are just stacked, so it's pretty hard to put them higher than this. Now, the Pink Parrots with Dream, who's won MCC quite a few times, and CPK, who's another excellent Minecraft player, and Bad Boy Halo and Finster. Well, this team, as we all know, Dream and CPK are amazing, but Bad Boy Halo and Finster could drag the team down because they're not as good as the other two, and that's why I've placed them in 6th. If this team had H-Bomb, they might have even won MCC. So just half is good, half is bad. But if Pincher and Bad Boy Halo pop off, these guys can finish a lot higher. Now the Lime Llamas again are another good team with Kurdsy, Quig, Jack Manifold, and Niechu. But again, like the other teams which are gonna be like top 4, they're gonna be absolutely stacked. So I'm pretty sure these guys can't finish higher than that I've placed them here. But of course, that's just my thoughts. Because the other teams all have 1 or 2 excellent stars who could, if they carry their team, then they could finish much higher. But I'm pretty sure this team is not like that. But again, if all of them perform well, I'm pretty sure they can even take the trophy home. Don't get me wrong, I love the Purple Pandas this time, with Major, Grind, Smallish Beans, and Fruit Berries. But compared to the other teams, like how MCC's leveled them out and has them panned out, I'm pretty sure they won't stand a chance to finish even in top 4 probably. Again, it's almost never predictable. If even one of them pop off, like Fruit Berries and Grind have good games, it can be very easy for them to take it home. And even Major is not bad. Before we move on to the top 4, I'm asking you to please like and subscribe, as it can help me a lot, and I can make this more frequently for you, and it just takes 5 seconds. So can you please go and do it now? Thank you. And now we go on to the top 4. The Aqua Axolotls, if I'm not wrong, the last 2 MCC champions. So they have that sort of, the third time maybe they won't win it, I'm not sure. But this team I'm pretty sure they're going to finish in 4th. They have lots of good players. Funday, Tubbo, 5UP. So it's going to be a good MCC for them. If all of them are able to play very well, I think they could even take home, probably qualify for Dodgeball. I'm not too sure about that though. Now moving on to one of my most favorite teams of the whole event, with Tapal, Puns, Captain Puffy, and Shovel. This team could easily finish in 3rd, and with a little bit of pop off from probably Tapal and Puns and Captain Puffy, I'm pretty sure they can easily take home Dodgeball and probably even win the whole event. The LOX, easily they're gonna finish in Dodgeball. Captain Sparkles, Punk, H-Bomb, and George are excellent Minecraft players who have lots of experience with MCC. And I'm pretty sure H-Bomb's won a few, and George has won about 1 or 2, and I'm not sure about Punk. And Captain Sparkles, I'm pretty sure he has the curse, but this team could actually probably take him to a final or even win it. Now finally we're on to my favorite team, the Red Rabbits, and I'm not saying they're my favorite because they're most likely going to win it. I really like all these guys. Tommy, Wilbur, Phil, Fulza, and Ranbu, excellent Minecraft players, just out of this world. And if they had Dream or Technoblade on this side, it would just be dubs. It would be like people would be like they've won, even though that almost never happens on MCC. This is my favorite team, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna take it home easily. But the other teams could give them good competition, especially the Yellow Yaks. So that could be something that they're gonna have to look out for. But Wilbur, I'm pretty sure 1 or 2 MCCs ago he teamed up with Technoblade and they finished in 3rd, and he absolutely popped off. And if he isn't And if he isn't like messed up by a fire alarm, I'm pretty sure they're gonna win this MCC. I'm 100% sure. And that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching again. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I might even try to stream MCC if I can. Like, you know, I won't stream the thing. I might try speed running or something, or doing some sort of a challenge. Then, you know, I'll try that. Streaming during MCC, that might be pretty fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.